There is no machine on Earth more complex, more expensive, or more lethal than a modern air superiority fighter. When we look at them tearing through the sky, defying gravity and breaking the sound barrier, we often forget that they did not simply appear. They were forged. To build a passenger car takes about 17 to 18 hours. To build a commercial airliner takes a few months. But to build a machine like this, a machine designed to operate on the bleeding edge of physics, takes years of planning and tens of thousands of man-hours. It is a process that demands perfection, because at Mach 2, at 40,000 feet, a loose bolt or a microscopic fracture isn't just a mechanical failure. It is a catastrophe. What you are about to witness is the convergence of the world's most advanced disciplines. It starts with materials that seem alien. Carbon fiber composites baked in massive autoclaves, titanium alloys milled to tolerances measured in the width of a human hair, and radar-absorbent skins that cost more per ounce than gold. Inside the fuselage, it is even more intricate. We are talking about miles of wiring, millions of lines of code, and hydraulic systems that must mimic the sensitivity of a human nervous system. Every rivet is documented. Every weld is X-rayed. Every single component, from the massive turbofan engine capable of generating 40,000 pounds of thrust to the smallest sensor chip, has a lineage and a history. This is not a standard factory floor. It is a cathedral of engineering. You won't see rush, you won't see chaos. You will see a slow, deliberate, and almost rhythmic dance between master technicians and robotic giants. These workers are not just mechanics. They are artisans of war. They are building a vessel that must protect its pilot from crushing G-forces while simultaneously hunting targets beyond the horizon. We are about to strip away the paint, the politics, and the glory. We are going to take you behind the security clearance into the clean rooms where the air is filtered and the secrets are guarded. Forget the roaring flybys and the sonic booms for a moment. The true marvel of a fighter jet lies here, in the silence of the assembly hangar, where cold metal is taught how to fly. There will be no more words. Just the raw process. Just the metal, the sparks, and the creation of a legend. Watch closely.
The stress test results on this section are unacceptable. We have to redesign the joint.
We don't have time for a full redesign. This schematic is approved.
But the flow rate here contradicts the modeling. primary concern remains the thermal structural limit during re-entry.
Have we cleared the stress points at the wing spar?
Yes, the analysis confirms green across the board.
The hydraulic line on the left gear shows minor seepage.
Noted. I'll flag it for maintenance review.
The hydraulic line on the left gear shows minor seepage.
Noted. I'll flag it for maintenance review.